Turns out, the talented team from Atmos FX put together a kit that can turn up your home's fear factor to 100.
Ow! Ow!
Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's Need to Know episode, I thought we'd take a break from cut and dried spec sheets and phone launches. After all, it's October, the best time to get our dark mode on. So I say, throw a creepy Halloween party or a wicked costume on. Go see a chilling movie at the cinema. You can't go wrong with Joker. Believe us.
Your suffering has only just begun.
Even if you just invite some friends over, you can turn your house in a haunted mansion. All you need are a couple of scary gadgets and accessories. We went ahead and selected the best. Stumbled upon some crazy stuff, let me tell you. First things first, the entrance. This one-eyed doorbell is going to scare the living daylights out of your friends. It doesn't just have that cool Victorian look, but it does something pretty neat. The moment the button is pushed, a green eye blinks out of nowhere, scanning for intruders. If that weren't creepy enough, an insane laugh can be heard. They're still coming inside? Lucky you. They really must love you. So, test your friendship. Let them relax before putting the spider on their tail. The creepy crawler is remote controlled, and the skull's eye glow blue in the dark. It's extremely cheap for this eerie effect it has.
Party's over.
We're most excited about this frightening apparition maker. Turns out, the talented team from Atmos FX put together a kit that can turn up your home's fear factor to 100. With a projector, tripod, and special material, you can make wraiths, zombies, and more appear out of thin air. No joke.
Wonderful. Now we're not the only ones on the street without one.
If you have several rooms though, you might need some extra excitement. We found 2 Halloween speakers that fit the bill. One is this wireless red-eyed skull speaker. Pair it with some eerie music and your party is all set. But maybe you want at least to keep the kitchen sane. Then get this pumpkin-shaped one. It holds LED flame that dances on the beat of the music. It's still gonna be mesmerizing, if not terrifying. Maybe you're watching this and thinking, hey, I'm not hosting a party, I'm going to one. What's in it for me? Plenty. We skipped the witch costumes, vampire fangs, and skeleton outfits everyone goes for.
And what are we wearing here?
I'm just wearing what I got bid in.
Instead, we looked for something creepy, fun, and powered by tech. First up, think LEDs. In the dark, LEDs are the best way to stand out when people least expect it. To spook people, you just need 2 things, a mask and some gloves. We found several LED masks on Amazon, but this one is by far our favorite. Skull ones are pretty predictable. Multicolored masks take from the sinister look you're going for. So, this one has 3 light modes. Constant light, slow flicker, fast flicker. Works with 2AA batteries and lasts for 36 hours. Pretty decent for a $17.99 price if you ask me. By itself, it might not have the bone-chilling effect you want. So, add a pair of LED skeleton gloves. These ones come with dozens of colors to choose from. Press once to change colors and long press to turn them off. If that ain't cutting it for you, maybe you want a whole mood, not just some accessories. Go steampunk. Yes, you heard me right. Steampunk your place. Steampunk hats, binoculars, and vintage watches are easy to find. This site has dozens of models. To take it to the next level, you need to steampunk your tech. Start with your phone case. This one is incredibly intricate, a true masterpiece if you ask me. The skull detail is going to get you that creep factor you want for Halloween. Plus, the handmade finish is to die for. It's beautiful all year round. For a whole vintage sci-fi tech look, check out these keyboards and mice. This one is made from brass, copper, and some plastic parts. Yes, it's handmade, and each piece sold is different from the previous one. Pair it with a mouse from the same manufacturer. Not keen on gold and copper? We did find an alternative, although it's pretty pricey. The machinist is all aluminium with a rugged finish, propped with 2-gear assembly risers. It brings back memories of old typewriters and could be paired with this much cheaper mouse. If you liked any of these, you can find all of them in the description below. Make sure to tell us what you went for and how did your Halloween scare turn out. Until next time, don't forget, subscribe and hit the bell button if you want to see more videos like this. See you guys!